Apart from cooking, I love reading newsletters. Everything from Carl Newport to Lenny's to David Perel. But I hate the act of going through email that's full of work clutter and spam, of course. What if there was a way which could put everything from all of my weekly newsletter into a single page that I can read at peace? So I made a recipe on Rube. It has 3 ingredients: Gmail, Notion, and a little bit of love. Perfect setup for me. I'm an avid Notion user and Gmail is my default inbox, unfortunately. But here is my recipe. Once a week, whenever I get time to fancy reading, I just hit run. And Rube goes through my Gmail, grabs all the newsletters from the last 7 days and summarizes each one, adds hyperlinks and context, and relates everything into a single Notion page. That's it. No complicated setup, no new app, just a recipe that I can run whenever my brain feels like it's lagging behind the internet. And of course, all of this is powered by Composio. Pardon the Italian accent, I had to give it a try. So if your inbox looks like a hoarder's fridge, maybe you don't need another productivity hack. Maybe you just need a better recipe. Rube Recipes. We are not cleaning your inbox, we are just letting you cook.